Today we are taking a look at the Meraki Espresso Machine. The Meraki is designed for precision and consistency. With a commercial grade group head, a PID temperature control, and an adjustable steam wand, it is perfect for the home baristas looking to elevate their espresso game. We start by dosing out 18 grams of freshly dosed coffee. With a machine like this, consistency and grind size is key to unlocking all the flavors in your espresso. Give the coffee a firm, even tamp, and the goal here is to create a flat surface, ensuring even water flow during extraction. Once tamped, lock the portafilter into the group head. You'll feel the sturdy, secure fit of the Meraki's commercial grade components. With the Meraki, you have full control over the extraction. With brew by weight, it is ensuring that you are going to have the perfect amount of espresso almost each and every time. In about 25 to 30 seconds, you will have a rich, balanced shot with beautiful crema ready to be enjoyed on its own or as the base for a milk-based drink. As you see here, the Meraki steam pressure does not disappoint. It comes with a very strong and very dry steam. Now we're going to fill our pitcher with cold milk right below the spout. Position the wand just below the surface of the milk and begin frothing. You will want to incorporate air slowly and aim for a smooth, velvety texture. Listen as you hear the hissing sound and the sound of paper tearing. This is the sound you are looking for before you create your vortex to incorporate all the microfoam. Once you submerge the steam wand down into the milk, you're going to want to make sure that you heat the milk to about 150 degrees Fahrenheit. The result should be silky microfoam, perfect for latte art or a smooth cappuccino. Now pour the milk over the espresso. Start slow, then tilt the cup as you pour to create a smooth blend of espresso and milk. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to pour beautiful latte art. Whether you're aiming for a heart, a tulip, or a rosetta, the Meraki's consistent steam power helps you get there. And that's it for today's session with the Meraki's Espresso Machine. Its precision, power, and design make it a top choice for home baristas. If you have any questions or want more tips, leave a comment in the section below, and thank you so much for watching. Peace.